Doc Martin is a peekabird. Doc Martin. Peekaboo. You gonna have some pine nuts? Hey, peekaboo. Do you hear the jet going overhead? It's like the fourth one. Doesn't sound creepy at all. Yeah. Yeah. Peekaboo. Have some. Want some pine nuts? Doc. Yes. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, beep, ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, beep, ruff, ruff, ruff. Grr, grr. Coo, coo. Want some? Have some. Are we gonna stand? What are you doing, Doc? I thought you were hungry. You gonna eat some of that? Yeah, here you go. And pine nuts? Yeah, there you go, buddy. Good stuff. I'm gonna sing to you while you eat. Little bird, baby bird, little bird, I love you. Little bird, baby bird, little bird, I love you. Doc. Do you like that? Yeah, he does. Do you like spinach? Do you like coffee? Little bird, baby bird. Doc Martin. Well, he likes those pine nuts. Yeah. Yeah, is that good? Say good night.